In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Starbucks gift card balance. Let's get started by opening your web browser. You can use any browser that you are comfortable with, like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Once you have your browser open, type in Starbucks in the search bar. Press enter to see the search results. This is your first step to accessing the information you need. Now let's move on to the next step. Look carefully at the search results and find the official Starbucks website. It is usually one of the top results. Ensure that the link is genuine to protect your personal information. Click on the Starbucks link to open their site. This is important because accessing the correct website ensures you are in a secure environment. Once the website loads, navigate to the section that says Gift Cards. You will usually find this in the top menu of the homepage. Clicking on Gift Cards directs you to the section specifically designed for managing and checking your card details. This step is crucial because it takes you to the right place to find your balance. After you click on gift cards, you will see an option that says Check Your Balance. Click on that link. By doing this, you are one step closer to finding out how much is left on your gift card. This is a user-friendly feature Starbucks provides to make your experience seamless. At this point, you will be prompted to enter your card information. You need to input your card number and security code in the respective fields. Make sure to enter the numbers accurately to avoid any errors. This is vital for ensuring you receive correct balance information. Finally, click on the button that says Check Balance. This action will process your request and display your Starbucks gift card balance on the screen. You might need to wait a few seconds for the system to retrieve and show your balance. Don't worry, this is normal and the information will appear shortly. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your Starbucks gift card balance. This process is not only quick, but also ensures that you can manage your spending effectively. Remember, knowing your balance helps you plan your visits to Starbucks wisely, avoiding any surprises at checkout. Thank you for watching and enjoy your next coffee break with peace of mind.